So you see those dark areas of your body, those dark parts of your body that you get very, very insecure about, those dark areas that you cannot be free enough to, you know, express yourself when you're with your spouse, or maybe you're in the pool. You're very skeptical because you cannot expose your body like that, because of course those areas are very dark. I'm talking about the sensitive part of our body, the sensitive areas of our body: elbows, knees, armpit, your dark feet, your dark inner thighs, your dark boots. Those are the areas I'm talking about. A certain lady came to my DM on Instagram asking me to review a product that will actually clear off those dark areas of the body. You guys, if you can hear any noise, ignore, it's coming from my fridge. Okay, so yeah, see, she asked me to review a product, a cream that will actually clear it. But I thought of it and I'm like, okay, a scrub, this particular Veet Gold scrub is a scrub that clears things like this, so why don't I just review it? Because of course we know the importance of scrub on the skin. It just unclogs the pores and remove dead skin cells, thereby helping other skincare products to work perfectly. So why don't I just talk about it? And this scrub, a lot of people, I don't know if a lot of people know about it, but this scrub is a scrub that will leave people asking you questions.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Hey guys, welcome and welcome right back onto my channel. It's Sunita here. Okay, the lighting here, since I got back, I've not been able to fix my lighting. Like, I've not been able to, you know, get the position I used to, like I would normally get, sitting directly opposite the window. And when it's 4 p.m, the sun just sets directly opposite my window, and it makes me feel very somehow filming. But however, I'm still going to film, come what may. Okay, so like I was saying, that this particular scrub is a scrub that will leave people asking you questions. People that had known you before come, what have you been using? Your dark knees are no longer there, dark knuckles and dark elbow. Okay, you already know, like I said earlier, the importance of body scrub. So it's not just like, oh, it's going to, like, if you're facing all this dark, if you're facing this issue, we all know that lotions are not the best to handle it yet. Or we've been introduced to 1 or 2 lotions like that, knuckle removal, knuckle cleansers, dark areas cream and all, but sometimes they do not work. That's because you don't have a body scrub that can tackle this issue. If you have a body scrub that can tackle this issue, whatever cream, whatever knuckle cream it is you're going to be using will work perfectly. In fact, the scrub will even enable the cream to work like as fast as possible. Okay, that is why you need this particular body scrub. So before I go on to talk about this body scrub, I also want to talk about this particular vitamin C. It's also from Veet Gold Vitamin C Extra Whitening Scrub. It's a 7-day scrub. Okay, it's like a total clear from acne, pimples, wrinkles, white patches, blackheads, body odor, okay, eczema, black spots, stretch marks. Okay, it's for all skin type. Of course, if you have been following me, you know I've been singing about my skin type. I've been talking about my skin type, how sensitive my skin is and all. So whatever it is I'm taking to my body, I know that, oh, this is something that will suit me. If not, I will leave it. Okay, so this particular one is also very good if you're looking out to lighten up your skin. You know, December month you're traveling. I think this is, so far so good, this is one of the best scrubs I have used that did not give me this strawberry skin. Instead, it just cleared the one that I had, because there's this particular spa salt I was using that gave me like all this bumpy skin, strawberry skin, but this one helped clear it. So it's actually very, very good. I use it on my face sometimes, like today as I'm talking to you. Before after using the peel off mask, I used this particular scrub on my face and it did not give me any form of reaction. Okay, you guys can see that it's almost out. I'm pampering this thing. I don't joke with this. It's a vitamin C super scrub. Okay, it's a vitamin C scrub. It works really well. Of course, like I said, vitamin C is very essential to your body. It's very important that you use vitamin C. If possible, incorporate vitamin C in all your skincare products and you'll have me to thank. Okay, so now back to this scrub. This scrub is a very nice scrub that will help to, you know, clear those dark areas. I mean the boots, your inner thighs, your knees, your elbows, your knuckles and your feet. Okay, these ones, when you are using it, just tackle those particular areas. You can just use them only on the areas where you have discolorations, because it helps with discoloration, it helps with uneven skin tone. I know you cannot actually use it all over your body, but if possible, use it every day on those dark areas, like every day on those dark areas, if you want to see result quickly. Okay, I'm not saying use it all over your body every day, because of course it's not good to exfoliate your skin like every day. It's if you don't have a very firm skin, it's going to worn out your skin. So I don't advise people to use their body scrubs every day, but what I advise people to do, possibly when it comes to this particular scrub, I advise people to use it on those areas. Like if you want to see result immediately, okay, if you want to see result like in 7 days, trust me, if you use it on those areas and maybe get your knuckle cream or get your black spot removing cream, you guys, you're definitely going to see result in 7 days. If you have dark spot, maybe you've treated acne and it left you with some dark spot that you're not comfortable with, that you're insecure about, use it on those areas. Okay, use it on those areas. That is a scrub that's really works. I saw it at a friend's place and I'm like, okay, and she has been using it for a certain period of time now, and what she told me was that she likes it, and because I even asked her to give it to me so I can come and try it myself, she said, oh no, that she doesn't even joke with it. So for you to know how good this particular scrub is, and this person in question is not somebody that believes so much on skincare, she just has her own thing, because she naturally has like a very nice skin, but of recent she started noticing discoloration as a result of a particular cream that she used. So she went for this scrub, and this scrub is really amazing on her. Like, for me to comment her skin, that means the scrub is actually nice. So you can actually use that. If you can also get this, trust me, you're definitely going to love. And this one too also works well as well. So what I would advise, after using this scrub, you need to have like a moisturizer, because moisturizers are very essential to skincare, like to your day-to-day skincare, because it just helps moisturizes your skin. It just you know, hydrates your skin, and you know, it doesn't dry out your skin, because if your skin is always dry out, you experience all these things I'm talking about. So learn to moisturize your skin. As I'm talking to you, my body soap like is a moisturizing body soap, like super moisturizing, in fact strictly moisturizing body soap. Then my I have oils that I use, because I don't have a very nice skin. For people that know, they know I don't have a very nice skin, so I try as much as I can to keep my things minimal. For people saying, oh, why don't you try this, I cannot try everything. I cannot try everything. It's not even possible. I cannot try everything. But trust me, these products I'm listing out are products that are definitely going to help, because I have carried out my research, recommended to people, and are products that are like tested and trusted. Yeah, I hope you guys I hope you like this video. If you did, please give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and yeah, I'll definitely see you guys in my next one very soon. Bye.